Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So, welcome everyone once again in our English class. Students, yesterday we have done our question and answers in our 1-number notebook. Today we will do our grammar work of our textbook. So, first of all, take out your textbook English Junction and its page number 43. First of all, we will look our page number 42. Know your values, यानी हमें अपने values पता होने चाहिए. Means a new girl has joined your class. What will you do so that she does not feel shy? If you can choose more than one answer, like I will. Students, when you go somewhere, students, first of all tell me one thing. When you go somewhere first time, do you feel shy? As it is, a new girl has joined your class and she is feeling shy. Then what will you do so that she does not feel shy? And the options are: smile and try to be friends with her. Number B, sit beside her and talk to her because she is shy. And other options are here in page number 43. Make fun of her with my friends. Wait for other people to talk to her first, or include her in my group of friends so that she does not feel lonely. You can give more than one answer, यानी आप एक से ज़्यादा भी आंसर दे सकते हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल look in these three options. I think it is correct answer because we should not make fun of her friend, okay? And we should not wait for other people to talk to her first. Means we will include her in our group of friends so that she does not feel lonely. Now, in our page number 42, smile. I will smile and try to be friends with her. So I will tick here. I will sit beside her and talk to her because she is shy. It means these three answers are correct answer. We should try these answers, okay? Now, look at our grammar work. First of all, read these sentences. Number 1 is, Vala and Leela were Kanani's best friend. And number 2 sentence is, Leela swam into her deep and dark cave. Students, in both sentences, we use the word and to join two words, group of words और sentences. Means in दोनों ही sentences में हमने and का यूज करा दो वर्ड को ज्वाइन करने में, दो sentences को ज्वाइन करने में और दो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करने में. As like it, first of all read this sentence. I am reading. My brother is sleeping. मैं रीड कर रहा हूँ. My brother is sleeping. मेरा भाई सो रहा है. Now we will join both these sentences by the word and. I am reading and my brother is sleeping. Okay? Now look at some other examples in these sentences. So first of all write down here CW. And here today's date. Okay, student. Now look at its heading. Use and to join these words, phrases and sentences. मीन्स यहाँ पर जो दो वर्ड्स दिए हैं, दो फ्रेज दिए गए हैं और दो सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं. वी विल ज्वाइन these with the and. Write the new sentences in your notebook, and after doing this we will write these sentences in our textbook, not our notebook. Okay, so first has been done for you. The worm was small plus brown. Now we will make one sentence by joining this by the and. The worm was small and brown. Okay, student? As it is, we will do our next sentence number 2. Romit plays with his bat plus ball. So we can say Romit plays with his bat and ball. So now we will write this answer here. Romit, R-O-M-I-T, Romit, P-L-A-Y-S, plays with his bat and ball. Full stop. Okay, student? You will write here below this, under this sentence. Okay, below this sentence. Now look at its sentence number 3. He has 2 pencils plus a pen. So we can say he has 2 pencils and a pen. Okay, so write here with me. He has 2 pencils and a pen. Full stop. Okay, student? Now look at its sentence number 4. Neeraj ate chapatis. Full stop. Yasmin ate rice. These are 2 sentences. Now we will join these sentences by the and. Okay? Neeraj ate chapatis and Yasmin. Student, we will write both name in capital letter. Ate rice. Full stop. Means नीरज ने चपातीस खाई और यास्मीन ने चावल खाए. Okay? Now look at its sentence number 5. Sayan went to Mussoorie. Look at its sentence number 5. Sayan went to Mussoorie first. He then went to Dehradun. Here are 2 sentences, and by the end we will join both sentences like this. Sayan went to Mussoorie. Mussoorie is a proper name. So we will write its first letter in capital. Mussoorie first. And then went to Dehradun. Student, it is also a proper place name. So we will write its first letter in capital, Dehradun. So student, look, Sayan went to Mussoorie first and then went to Dehradun. Here we will not write he, okay? Because both sentences are related to Sayan. Now look at its sentence number 6. All the students stood up. They sang the national anthem. Now we will join both sentences with and like this. All the students stood up and sang the national anthem. Okay student, again here is no need to write again they. Okay, all the students stood up and sang the national anthem. Okay student, now look at its sentence number 7. The little boy planted roses in the pot. Then he watered it. Now we will again join these sentences by the word and. Okay? The little little boy planted roses in the pot and then he watered, watered, watered it. Full stop. The little boy planted roses in the pot. लिटिल बॉय ने, छोटे बच्चे ने गमले में गुलाब के पौधे लगाए. एंड देन, और उसके बाद ही वाटर्ड इट, उसने उन्हें पानी दिया. नाउ टर्न योर पेज एंड टेक आउट इट्स पेज नंबर 44. नाउ रीड दिस सेंटेंस. शी वॉज अ बेबी व्हेल बट शी वॉज वेरी बिग. वो एक व्हेल का बच्चा थी लेकिन शी वॉज वेरी बिग, लेकिन वो बहुत बड़ी थी. मीन्स इन पेज नंबर 43 वी लर्न द यूज ऑफ एंड. नाउ इन पेज नंबर 44 वी विल लर्न द यूज ऑफ बट. स्टूडेंट, वी यूज द वर्ड बट टू ज्वाइन टू सेंटेंसेस व्हेन, यानी हम दो सेंटेंसेस को बट से जोड़ते हैं कब. लुक स्टूडेंट, इन फर्स्ट रूल what happens in the first part of a sentence is different from what happens in the second part of the sentence. Means जब सेंटेंस का एक पार्ट और सेंटेंस का दूसरा पार्ट जब एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल ही अलग होते हैं तब ही हम बट का यूज करते हैं. जैसे आई लाइक टाइगर्स बट नॉट लॉयंस. मैं टाइगर पसंद करता हूँ लेकिन मुझे लॉयंस पसंद नहीं है. इट मीन्स इन फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज टोटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द अदर पार्ट ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस. ओके, नाउ look at its second rule. What happens in the first sentence is different from what happens in the second sentence. Means पहले सेंटेंस में क्या हुआ और दूसरे सेंटेंस में क्या हुआ वो भी एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल अलग हो. जैसे सीमा caught a fish, she let it go. यानी सीमा ने एक मछली पकड़ी लेकिन she let it go, उसने उसे जाने दिया. Means both sentences have different meaning. In first part of this sentence, Seema caught a fish, but in the second part of this sentence, she let it go. Okay. Now by now we will know the use of but by doing these sentences. So now look at question number B. Again put here CW. Okay. Use but to join these sentences. Write the new sentences in your notebook. मीन्स हमें इन सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करना है. किससे करना है? बट से करना है. और इन्हें अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस टेक्स्ट बुक हमें इन सेंटेंसेस को दोबारा नोटबुक में लिखना है. बट वी विल नॉट राइट दिस its answer in our 1 number notebook. We will write its answer here in our textbook. First have been done for you. So first of all look at our first question. I like Vicky's blue dress. It does not fit me. Look student, both sentences have different meaning. I like Vicky's blue dress. मुझे विकी की ब्लू ड्रेस पसंद है, लेकिन ये मुझे सही नहीं आती. मीन्स पसंद है लेकिन जब वो सही नहीं आती तो हाउ कैन शी वियर इट. ओके, सो वी विल ज्वाइन बोथ सेंटेंसेस बाय बट. आई लाइक विकीज ब्लू ड्रेस बट इट डज नॉट फिट मी. ओके, नाउ लुक एट इट्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. अन्ना wanted to buy a balloon. She did not have any money. मीन्स अन्ना बैलून खरीदना चाहती है लेकिन उसके पास पैसा नहीं है. ओके, अन्ना wanted to buy a balloon but she did not have any money. Student, when we join both sentences by the but, we will write its first letter in small letter. Okay, Anna wanted to buy a balloon but she did not have any money. Now student, look at its sentence number 3. Rishi wants to go out. It is raining. Both sentences have different meaning. Rishi बाहर जाना चाहता है, बारिश हो रही है. So we will join both sentences by the use of but. Rishi wants to go out but it is raining. R-A-I-N-I-N-G, raining full stop. Now look at its sentence number 4. My friend has curly hair. Her sister has straight hair. मीन्स मेरे मित्र के कर्ली घुंघराले बाल हैं. हर सिस्टर हैज स्ट्रेट हेयर और उसकी बहन के सीधे बाल हैं. नाउ वी विल ज्वाइन बोथ सेंटेंसेस बाय द यूज ऑफ बट. माई फ्रेंड FRIEND फ्रेंड हैज curly 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 hair. But her sister her SISTER sister has straight hair STRAIGHT straight hair 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 full stop. Now look at its sentence number 5. Sonam can sing well. Sonam अच्छा गा सकती है. She cannot dance at all. लेकिन वो डांस बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर सकती है. Means in both sentences Sonam can sing well but उसको डांस बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता है. Now we will join both sentences by the use of but. Sonam can sing well but she cannot dance at all. Okay, student. So this is the use of but. Now student, we will look our homework. So first of all, take out your worksheet and it's page number 14. Join the sentences using and but. Student, this is your homework. Here you will use both and but according to our sentence. Okay, student? Now, we will match our yesterday's homework that was in our page number 1313. So, first of all, we will match our question number 1. Who moved to their new house? Rahul and his family moved to their new house. Now, match our question number 2. Who was happy to see a lot toys? Rahul was happy to see a lot of toys. Now, match our question number 3. What did Rahul decide? Rahul decided to take care of garden with his grandfather and grandmother. Here I forgot grandmother. Okay? Now we will match our question number B. Write the opposite of. And according to our unseen passage 2, the opposite of sad is happy, dislike is like, old is new, and hate is love. Okay, student? So this is your yesterday's homework. Hope you would have matched its answers. Okay, student? Till then, our next video. Goodbye everyone and take care.